Okay, so now you
नहीं
can
मैम।
see, okay, you can see this same failing and tolerance test through
मैम ये तो
OLAPS.
आपने हमें दिखाया नहीं था, ये तो आपने दिखाया था हमें।
Already you have done?
यस मैम, आपने दिखाया था हमें ये।
Already you have done.
फेलिंग टेस्ट,
Okay.
हाँ।
Tell me the
Tolerance
procedure. First, what we take in this test, what we'll do? We take
हम
silver nitrate,
dilute sodium hydroxide,
then add sodium hydroxide. This is the correct procedure. You can see even also. Then add ammonia solution and then add sample. Automatically it will come. Now this sample will be kept into water bath for the 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And you see there's a formation of shining silver mirror. So this is the confirmation of what? Aldehyde. This is the test for aldehyde. Okay. And what is the second test? You have just seen Fehling test. What is Fehling test? Take sample. In this sample, you take Fehling A. What is the color of Fehling A? Blue. Then add Fehling B. Then put into water bath. Heat into water bath for 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can see blue color. Then you can see there is a formation of what? Red precipitate. So this is the confirmation of what? This. Even one more test you can do, shift test. What is shift test? In aldehyde, you add shift reagent, you get pink color. Okay, and this test is only for aldehyde. It will not given for ketone. Even already you have read 2,4-DNP test. What is 2,4-DNP test? It is a test for confirmation of carbonyl group. Means given by both aldehyde as well as
aldehyde and ketone.
So what you do over here, you take sample, add alcohol, basically for 2,4-diphenyl reagent, and then you can see this red color or red PPT. So this is the confirmation of this, right? So these are the tests for aldehyde. What is a test for ketone? Ketone, what will take? Sample. Okay. Ketone, you can see what tests are possible for ketone. First is 2,4-DNP test. What is 2,4-DNP test? Again, you can see the same thing. In ketone, you take sample and then add 2,4-DNP reagent, you get the yellow precipitate. Okay, so 2,4-DNP test is given by both aldehydes and ketone for confirmation of CO group, carbonyl group. But you can see over here, there is a no tolerance and Fehling test, because if tolerance and Fehling test will be added in the ketone, you not get the shining silver mirror or red precipitate. So there is another test, sodium bisulfite. Okay, there is a one test which is only given by ketone, that is sodium nitroprusside. What is sodium nitroprusside? In ketone sample, you add sodium nitroprusside, then add sodium hydroxide. Okay, you have to take out this. Okay, and then add this sodium hydroxide. Okay, it's not coming. Okay. And yeah, you have to shake. Otherwise, the result was not coming. You can see over here, when after shaking sodium nitroprusside, shake it and then add sodium hydroxide. You can see the procedure. This is the procedure. You can get the result in the during the offline test also. Okay, so you get the red precipitate. This is the confirmation of ketone also. Ketone, right? Okay, so now we are. I'm just stopping this. Okay, in alcohol, we will discuss about. Uh, in alcohol, you can see there is an iodoform test. Okay, so next class we'll discuss the iodoform test with alcohol, with even carbonyl group also. I hope it is clear to all of you. Is it clear?